All these elements that you can see were worked in class. They are solids. That one is a rectangular prism. That one is a triangular prism, cube, square pyramid, and triangular pyramid. That one you see on the floor is a square whose sides are 1 meter long. So that one is a square meter. A square meter is a unit for area, very used for apartments and houses, etc. Now, in class, we work with these two elements, a triangle and a square. If we take a closer look at these two elements, this square has a base of 5 centimeters and a height of 5 centimeters as well. So the total number of square units is 25. Since this little square has a base and a height of 1 square of 1 centimeter, so that's 1 square centimeters. Now, to find the surface area of these solid figures, basically what we can do is to take the nets of such solids. These ones were done exactly with these elements we worked in class. So here what we did was to copy the pattern, the square, and then to find the surface area of this net that corresponds to a cube, so we can see that the 6 faces are squares and each square has an area of 25 square centimeters. So the surface area is basically put together the 6 squares or multiply 6 times 25 square centimeters to get a total area of 150 square centimeters. This one is the nets of a triangular prism, right? So for this triangle, we can see that the base is 5 centimeters. The height that is perpendicular to the base is approximately 4.3 centimeters. So to find the area of this triangle, we just have to multiply base times height and divide it by 2. Why? Because it is a triangle, and remember that this triangle has half the area of this quadrilateral that produces this triangle. So in order to get the surface area of this triangular prism, we basically put together the area of the 3 squares plus the area of the 2 triangles to get a result of, as you can see here, 96.50 centimeters, square centimeters, since we are talking about area. Now, for the triangular pyramid, basically we just have to add the area of 4 triangles. So to get the surface area of this triangular pyramid that was done specifically in class, so if we put together the areas of the 4 triangles together, we get a result of 43 square centimeters. Now we have the square pyramid that is made up of 4 triangles and 1 square. So in order to get the surface area, here we consider 1 square, which area is 25 square centimeters, plus 4 triangles, whose areas are 10.75 centimeters each. So the surface area of this square pyramid is 68 square centimeters. This one is, in general terms, a rectangular prism, just like this one that you can see. So in order to get the surface area, here we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 rectangles. The base of this rectangle is 10 centimeters and the height is 5 centimeters. So we can get the area multiplying base times height. So 10 times 5 is 50 square centimeters. So now we put together the areas of these 4 rectangles plus the areas of the squares to get a result for the surface area of 4 rectangles whose areas are 50 square centimeters each, plus 2 squares that are 50 together. So in order to get the surface area, we add and we get 250 square centimeters. Exactly for any of these solids, you can see that the process was to add the areas of the faces in order to get the surface area.